Look what we have here. Dover Impulse that appears to be in pristine condition.
Surprise, surprise, that lamp doesn't work.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this looks magical.
Oh yeah.
Hey, it's like 300 degrees in here too. Lovely.
I think I heard a faint Dover chirp. Yeah, it's clearly just got a slap on.
This indicator does work a tiny bit. It's just like impossible to see in the sunlight. I'll let it close and then let the motor start this time. Ready?
Yep.
We'll take another ride down and get off of this thing. It's getting hot.
Yeah. Yeah, very faint Dover chirp.
Whew. It's like 100 degrees out and it feels so good walking out of that thing.
Yeah.
That is brutal.
All right, well, that's it for that crap.